Hi everyone. In this section or in this lab, I'm going to do a lab for availability sets. Basically, we have two different sort of things in availability set. One is called fault domain, and the other one is called update domain. So basically, if you have an application running on one server, and if it goes down, you won't have any other servers to pick it up. So what we do is we create the fault domain and the update domain. So if one machine goes down, it'll be able to pick up on our next fault domain, and with the update domain, if there is some underlying update going on, then Microsoft will do one update at a time, so we can do up to 20 updates. So let's see how can we do this this lab. Okay, to do that we can do two different ways. We can create the availability set when we create virtual machine, or we can create it separately. So what we can do is create separately. So go to availability sets and hit on create. Select your group, resource group, name it. So I'll say availability, not gonna write the full name. Availability set demo, and then I select maybe Central US. So see, full domains I can have up to 3, but I'll leave it to 2, and this one can go up to 20. I will still maybe keep it for 2 only for now. Always make sure that it's linked with the managed disk. So yes, it is aligned. Go to advanced, it's the same. Proximities for the communication part of things. Tags, review and create, and just hit on create. So this will now create our availability set. Once that created, we will create our virtual machine. Let's see if it's created. Yeah, it's created already now. So now let's go to and create a virtual machine, maybe any, it doesn't matter for now. Just go to Linux, and we're not going to log inside our machine for now. So select your resource group, give it a name, maybe avail1 VM, and then make sure it's in the same region where our availability set is. Here where it says availability option, you then choose availability set, and then here you can select your availability set demo, the one you created basically, and then you go password. And just hit and create. Let's come back when the machine is done. It is still deploying. Let's go to our availability set. Let's see if it shows our virtual machine in there. It says loading, so that should show us the virtual machine we've just added, so it might take some time. Okay, now we have the option to say create. It shouldn't take that long. I did this exercise earlier, so it was quick, but this time it's taking a bit of time. Can do refresh, but now it's still taking time. Okay, seems like it's been created. Let's refresh it. Avail VM, that says it's created now, so that should show us the machine. Availability set still show us as creating. Just maybe refresh the page. Okay, see, now we have our availability sets running basically. So here you can see it's our machine in availability set basically. So we can create more machine in there. Basically, we can create up to 3 full domain and 20 updates. Update domain. So if anything goes wrong, we could go to the next machine, and if something goes wrong with the second, it goes to the third one. So yeah, this is how we can create availability set. Just one thing to add, that the availability sets service would place the machine accordingly so that the virtual machine get placed across the various fold and update domains. But what happens if you try to delete the availability set? Well, from the Azure portal, if we just try to delete the availability set as it is, we will get an error message. So we first have to make sure that we detach the availability machines, the virtual machines with availability sets first, and then we can delete it after. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.